Hi everyone, welcome to Helical Insight training videos.
In this video, we are going to cover how to create date time range parameters. In data source section, we can say parameter. If we click on plus icon, parameter gets created. For date time range picker, we require two parameters. If we click on three dots, we can see edit, delete, type options. For date time picker, type will be string. Using edit option, we can provide parameter name. Let us say start date time. Select the connection and click on save. Similarly, for second parameter, end date time. Here type will be string. Select the connection, click on save. After this, we have to configure these parameters in report SQL query. Click on save, run. Here we should provide default values which validates report SQL query. We have data for 2015 year. Now click on OK. Report query is validated. Now go to canvas, parameters, configure start date time and end date time. First configure end date time. Select date time range. Provide default value 59. Now configure start date time parameter. Filter type will be date and time range. Default value. Here we have to select range parameters from the drop down. Start date time, end date time. Now we can see the end date time parameter is disabled after configuring these things. So that is why we should select end date time parameter first. We should provide default value and configuration for end date parameter. Multiple display value we no need to select. Display format, value format. So these options are applicable to date and date time parameters. In date picker, we can show display format differently if we configure this option. Value format, this format, if we select this format will be passed to SQL query. So this is how display format and value format will be helpful. Let me click on preview. We can see the date time range picker is showing with the default date time values. This way we can select date, time, starting and ending date time. This is how date time range picker works. Click on apply. We can see that data is filtered from January including time also from 1st to 10th. Hope you are clear with this. Thank you for watching.
Congratulations, you're one step closer in becoming Helical Insight expert.